In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a beauty and hair Shopify website. We'll go from a blank account to a polished, sales-ready store that looks luxurious and is easy for customers to shop. Start by creating your Shopify store. Sign up, choose a memorable store name, and connect your custom domain so customers see a branded URL. Pick a name that reflects your niche and is easy to spell. You can purchase and connect a domain directly inside Shopify for a smooth setup. Next, select a beauty-friendly theme. Head to Online Store, then Themes, and publish the free Dawn theme or a premium beauty theme if you want extra design features. Prioritize clean design, fast loading, and strong mobile performance since most beauty shoppers browse on their phones. Build your brand identity early, create a simple logo, define a color palette, and choose typography that matches your aesthetic. Popular beauty tones include blush pink, nude, white, black, and gold. Ensure good contrast and legible font sizes so your content is accessible. Add your essential pages: home, shop all, about us, contact, FAQ, shipping policy, return policy, and privacy policy. Clear policies reduce customer anxiety and increase conversions. Now add products. Include wigs and hair extensions, shampoo and conditioner, hair oils and serums, lipsticks and cosmetics, skincare products, and styling tools. For each product, write an SEO-friendly title, a detailed description, and usage instructions. Upload multiple high-quality photos, and set variants like shade, size, texture, or length. Think benefits first and add ingredient or material details where relevant. Organize collections so shoppers can find what they need fast. Create hair extensions, wigs, hair care, makeup, skincare, bestsellers, and new arrivals. Keep navigation simple and intuitive. Customize your homepage with a striking hero banner and clear call to action. Feature collections and bestsellers, an About Us snippet, customer reviews, email sign up, and your Instagram feed. Consider sections like shop by category before and after results, testimonials, a beauty blog, and a newsletter sign up to build trust and education. Enable payments with Shopify Payments, PayPal, and major credit and debit cards. Add trust badges at checkout for reassurance. Configure shipping and returns with clear zones, delivery times, and a fair return window. A free shipping threshold can lift average order value. Optimize for SEO using terms like human hair wigs, hair growth products, lipstick collection, and skincare essentials. Add keywords to titles, meta descriptions, URLs, headers, and image alt text. Install essential apps for product reviews, wish lists, email marketing, live chat, and upsells. Keep your app stack lean to maintain speed. Test on desktop and mobile, place a test order, and then publish. Finally, promote on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, collaborate with influencers, and drive email marketing. Use clean visuals, highlight benefits and ingredients, add tutorial videos, and offer bundle discounts to boost sales. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.